Hello, I just wanted to do a quick video to show the two Google Chrome extensions that I chose to try out. The first one is Mercury Reader, and then the second one is SwiftRead. So I will start with Mercury Reader, but I wanted to show you the web page real quick. Now some of the advertisements are blocked on my page, but they're still there as far as it's a distraction. So you can kind of see on the side over here just all the little things that are in the web page there. So if you go up here and click on Mercury Reader, it just pulls the text out and you don't have to worry about all the advertisements, all the distractions that are on the outside edges of the pages. So this would really be beneficial to kids who have ADD or are just easily distracted by things. And just to get out of it, you just go right back up here and click Mercury Reader, and you can also see here you can actually pin them if you want to the toolbar up there. Alright, and it takes you right back to your page here. The second extension, as I just mentioned, was SwiftRead, and this one I really like. It's a speed reading application, so it speed reads the article for you, and you do have to have a paid version to kind of pick and choose your text. But as far as the free version, it's still pretty nice. As you'll see right here, I'll show you what it can do. So it's counting down here, and then it starts going. So up here it tells you how long it's going to take you to read the article at this speed. You can kind of speed it up and slow it down here. You can do 1 or 2 words at a time, 3 words at a time if you want, and you can up that as well. And then you can make your font size bigger for students who have visual problems, and that make that a little easier to see as well. So if you look right here, I'm going to show you the difference of the 300 and the 400 just as kind of a basic tutorial. Of course, you would want to get in here and see what works best for you, but you can see 300 is really easy to read. Let's speed it up here to 400, and this is, again, you have to focus, but you can still read pretty easily at 400. I haven't played around with it enough to see what speed would work best for me, but it'd probably be around the 400, 450 mark that I would start out with and then move up as I got used to the application. And your students would be able to do the same thing as well. So that is a quick tutorial of the two extensions. Hope you enjoyed them and get a chance to try them out. Thank you.